Today we are doing the geometric wall. I have my painting apron on.
This is my fabulous attire for the day.
We are going to do this geometric wall, and I'm going to tell you it's going to be a lot easier than what you think it's going to be. So you need some painter's tape. It doesn't matter what kind you get, because I'm going to show you a secret on having absolutely perfect paint lines every single time.
Because I am picky about my paint lines. Now, if I fall, we can all laugh hysterically. Ha 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 ha.
We have the blue border up around. We are literally just going to make a bunch of crazy ass lines.
I'm telling you, it's for real that easy. Are you ready for this? And I know it blows a little bit, but it's fine. Only a douchebag's gonna point that out. Fucking paint. Alright guys, here's what we're gonna do. I just pulled that off, and every time I use paint with a primer in it, this is what it does. So, it's okay, we can fix it. Shut off. I don't know what happened. Maybe it's hot. Hot like me. No, it's just really, it's temperature hot. I'm not like, oh, you're so sexy, baby. I'm temperature hot. Sorry. After I get my paint up, whatever color the wall is under the tape, okay, that's the most important thing. Whatever the color of the paint is under the tape, you want to paint the tape.
And you go, what?
When you take it off, you will have super, super crisp paint lines. So I put the tape on, so now I'm just going to paint it just like that. Real light, just a super light coat, and it's that way, anything that bleeds under the tape will be that paint color. I'm just gonna go over and I'm just gonna paint the tape real fast, and we're we're gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna put all the different colors on. You don't have to do this, it's not required. I do it because I have texture walls and I really like crisp lines.
Now we can go through and we can pick our colors for each one of the squares. So what we're gonna do is just put a dot in each shape.
In the paint? Yeah. The paint ain't gonna hurt you, son.
Yeah, it is.
Come on.
Fine.
Alright, now don't leave a big glob there because then it might dry and then it'll create a pookie.
You want a pookie? You'll leave a what?
A pookie is a rhyme. We don't want pookies, okay?
This just looks really weird to me. Popsicle fingers.
Lord have mercy.
Did you get it off? Man, it's just one thing after another is about to go wrong. You got paint on your shoe. Almost dropped your mic in some paint.
shitty windows, and I'm not going to get them replaced yet, but it's brown and it's ugly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray paint it. And why spray paint? Because it's thinner than a regular paint, so it's not going to get all gunked up and make it to where I can't open it. We're on day 3, 4, I don't remember anymore. I just know this has been taking forever. But what do you expect when you paint one wall 4 different colors? Well, shit.
It's too tall. Measure twice, cut once. Oh my God! Okay, can I tell you how much I love this wall? Like, seriously, all the trim is done now, and it looks fantastic.